Hello, my name is Sara Oehler and I work for www.softflexcompany.com. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a really fun, easy pair of earrings using our Softflex trios. A Softflex trio has three 10-foot spools of beading wire in 3 different colors, and it's a complementary palette, so it's a lot of fun to work with. I'm really excited to show these earrings to you because I think they're going to be a great Christmas present for all the lovely people in your life that you need a last minute gift for, because they're just so quick and easy. So let's go make them. So these are the earrings that we're gonna make today. They're super easy and you can make them in so many different colors with our Softflex trios. In fact, I gathered our 5 latest trio colors so we could explore them, and then we'll use this particular one for our project today. This one is called Autumn Spice. It's our purple amethyst, our citrine, and our red jasper. The one here, the sample that I've already made, I used our Harvest Moon Trio, which is our beautiful garnet, citrine, and our copper color. We've got a gorgeous spring palette called Bloom in garnet, pink tourmaline, and tanzanite. We have what we call Mermaid's Lagoon, which is a really fun one. It's turquoise, topaz, and bone. Or if you want to get really wild, you can do our Neon Nights trio, which is our pink rhodochrosite, our yellow quartz, lemon quartz, and our turquoise as well. So those are some of the many options that we offer. There's over 20 different trio options, and all of the color palettes are really fun and great to use in a design like this where you're actually going to use all 3 colors. So I'm just going to move these up so that we can start working on our pair using Autumn Spice. So I'm going to look at these and decide what color do I want to be the smallest, the medium, and the biggest. I think I'm going to do purple as the biggest at the bottom, and I'll start with citrine at the top. So I'm just going to take a spool of citrine wire, and I'm just going to run some wire off the spool. Oftentimes I'll do it right on the spool so that I don't waste wire. So I'm just going to take my wire and I am going to string a 2x2 millimeter crimp tube. These are Softflex crimp tubes, so they're double the wall thickness of most. They're very strong and sturdy, and they're also seamless, solid tubing. I'm going to take one of these 2x2 crimp tubes, and I'm going to string it onto my medium wire from my Autumn Spice trio. And then I'm just going to back the wire into that same crimp to create a loop. And I'm going to make this the same size as these previous earrings because I really like this size. So I'm just going to kind of eye it out, and it looks like it's about the same size as that little loop there. Take my crimping pliers. There are 2 holes in the crimping pliers. One hole here on the side is round. The other one has just a little tiny tooth. I'm going to use that little tooth to create a divot in my crimp tube. See that little kind of bent little spot there? I'm going to slide it into the rounder in the opposite direction, so to the side, and then I'm going to compress in. And then I'm just going to go around it a few times, tightening it down. This is what I call a Softflex jump ring. So I've made essentially a little ring that I can connect to anything using Softflex. And if you're not familiar with Softflex, Softflex is super strong. This particular one is 49 strands of marine quality stainless steel, itty bitty strands of it braided together in our proprietary braid, and then we've got a colored nylon coating holding it all together. So that's my first little Softflex ring. I'm just going to take a quick little crimp cover here, which is basically like an open-faced bead. I'm gonna grab onto it with the rounder and my crimping pliers like such. And then I can slide my crimp tube inside of it. And with crimp covers, the biggest trick I've found is making sure you go nice and slow, because sometimes they'll start to twist on you. And if you go slow, you can catch that twisting and you can adjust. If you go too fast, then they just twist and they get ruined. So go nice and slow, make sure that they're going on straight. I like to, let me see if I can get a good angle. I like to tuck in one side and then I tuck over the other side. And that way I can get a really nice, good hold, especially when you're doing something like this where you don't have any beads. You don't want that crimp cover to slide out over the crimp tube and onto your wire. So quick and easy, right? So to do the next loops, you're just doing a bigger one in the next color, which we decided was our red jasper. So let's do that. I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm just gonna do it right off my spool of wire. So I'm not wasting any wire. String my crimp tube. Pass it inside again, making a little ring. And I'm gonna do about the same size again. So let's check that out. Just adjust. This is how you'll make your second earring match your first. Just kind of eye them out, make sure they're matching earring to earring, and you should have no problems. Go ahead and crimp. You're gonna be amazed at how fast this goes. So these are great earrings for quick presents. Like I was saying at the very beginning, there's always those situations where I know I'm gonna see, you know, my dental hygienist, or I'm gonna see even my doctor over Christmas. And it's nice to have a little something that you can give to them. You can make up these quick and easy, very inexpensive earrings so fast and so affordably. And then you can just kind of have them ready to go. And they're also just like a great little stocking stuffer gift for family members too. Okay, so we've got our red jasper. We're gonna do one more in purple amethyst so you guys can see how fantastic this looks. Here's my purple amethyst. And I'm gonna give myself just a little more wire here. Okay, and so we're gonna take our crimp again, slide the wire into the crimp, and back in the opposite direction. And this time I'm doing my largest ring, so I'm just gonna kind of eye it out here for size. Go ahead and crimp. So fun, so easy, and so many different color options. That's what I really love. And if you wanted to add beads, you could totally add some seed beads, some small briolets. You could really change this up to make it even more special. I'm gonna hold on to, my crimp cover. And I'm just gonna slide that over the top once again. It twisted just a little bit, but I'm catching it and able to fix it. And once that's on there good, then all we're gonna do is add our ear wire. You can use the very tip of your crimping plier, sort of like a chain nose plier. Open it up and then slide all 3 of those little loops on it. You want to always open your ear wires to the side, not out, so you can maintain that perfect little ring there. And there we go. We've got our autumn spice earring. And I'll make another one to complement it. This is the Harvest Moon. And you can do lots of fun different colors. You know, if you wanted to jump back to Neon Nights, you could do Mermaid Lagoon, lots and lots of options. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial in making these fantastic, quick and easy soft flex earrings. You can find us at www.softflexcompany.com.